How to remove YouTube short from your YouTube field or app. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the perfect methods, update methods. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here I'm on my YouTube. So first just open your YouTube app and here you can click on this logo. Just click on it. Then we need to click on this gear icon. Just click on it. Now here you can see the account options like general switch, manage account, and here you can see the type management. You need to click on it. Just click on it. Now here you can see the all time you have spent daily based on YouTube. So now what we can do, just scroll down and here the daily limit, it's normally is off like this. So what you can do, just come to the daily limits and just on it. Once you on, you can see the short field limits. So you need to make it 0 only. Just click on 0. Okay, so once you click set this 0 daily limits, then your YouTube app will not show you the shorts. Okay, maybe there is a one short video you will you will see, but normally the 90% YouTube short will be disappear on your YouTube field. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.